Thank you, sir. Jamie?
Come on, 50.
I'm sticking with 7. I say it's 7. I'm
In
ending
civil
the poll.
Case number CL 2019-2911. Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition, quote, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
Yeah.
Mr.
Oh,
Depp
yeah.
proven by a greater weight of the evidence.
Let's see if there's actual tears.
The statement was made or published by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false.
Look at her
Answer,
face.
Yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
Gotcha.
2, as this statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
Oh.
Proven by a greater weight of the evidence. That question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes.
Guess they believe none of it.
Due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement,
Oh, Rottenborn looks unhappy.
a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Oh, kept
You
wrecked.
find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice. Answer, yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh, music to
3,
my actual
as to the
malice
statement
ears.
appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
Oh.
Proven by a greater weight of the evidence. That question, the statement was made
I think
or published by Ms.
I think
Heard.
she'll cry when the
Answer,
money comes up.
yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes.
Oh, brutal.
Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear
You wish you stayed home today,
evidence
Miss Heard.
that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million.
Yes!
Oh,
Yes!
We, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million.
Yes!
In civil case number CL 2019.
Now that gets cut down to the statutory
2911,
max.
Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement appearing in the April 8, 2020 online Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no.
Oh.
2. Appearing in the April 27th, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
Ooh.
Has
Oh.
Ms. Heard proven by Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven evidence that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Huh.
3.
What if they award
As
her
to this
10 million?
statement appearing in the April 27th, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. Is in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Did either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
That was a compromise verdict.
Yeah.
If this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Juror number 10.
Yes.
Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22.
Yes.
Juror number 27. Juror number
In this case, I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial. And I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
So there you go. That's a net of $8,350,000 award to Johnny Depp. That's a huge win for him.
4 life choices, Amber.
All right.
Yep. Oh man.
No
Okay.
money, no
In
career.
accordance with law, I will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000 on Mr. Depp's award, okay? I will set this down for entry of an order, and can we do it on June 24th at 10 a.m. if that's available? All right,
Yes.
Mr. Chu, if you could prepare that order and then circulate it to
No,
Ms. Bretterhoff.
not
and we can have
13
all the
million, guys.
Objections noted on it.
As
All right.
we've been saying, there's a statutory
All
cap.
right. And if I get it before that date, I'll take it
We'll
off the
explain in a
docket.
minute.
Okay?
Oh, it's 8
All right, again,
million
thank you to all the
total.
attorneys.
8
for your
million,
professionalism, and
350,000.
you're welcome to come to my courtroom anytime. Well, give me a few weeks, but then you can come anytime, okay? All right. Court is adjourned.
Thank you, Ron.
Oh man, they gotta
Wow.
be feeling great over on this side of the
Oh yeah.
aisle, and
Yeah,
they
so
gotta
happy.
feel fucking well.
Look at
Oh,
that
a
hug.
big
Look at that
hug.
hug. Look at that hug.
Yeah.
Imagine, oh, there you go.
There's
And look
still
Yeah,
no
whatever,
emotion.
Elaine. Get out of here.
There's still
Imagine,
no emotion.
Well, we won on that one counterclaim.
Oh, I mean that's what they're going to be
the
riding
narrative.
on.
That's the narrative.
That counterclaim might actually help PR wise for Depp, because if she walks out of there and is like, "Oh, it's an unfair system," it's like, well, they
Yep.
gave you one of your counterclaims. You got a fair hearing.
Yeah,
Get
no,
going.
I would take this. Plus, Johnny Depp can always say, you know, I maintain that I didn't make those statements. My attorney did. The jury found otherwise, but you know, those were the words of someone else. Those weren't me. Amber Heard can't say that about at least 2 of the 3 statements. Johnny Depp can say about his one statement for sure.
Wow. Yeah.
And I think, you know, the compromise verdict that was mentioned by Andrew is indicative of the 0 punitive damages award.
Yes.
I mean, that's it. Real quick to the chat. Johnny Depp nets $8,350,000 because although he was awarded $10 million compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, there is a cap under the law in Virginia that says that punitive damages are limited to $350,000. So he can only of $10,350,000, and then he has the minus $2 million from Amber Heard's claim that she prevailed on. So that's why it's $8,350,000 and not $13 million. But the interesting thing about that, and this is a cool facet of that sort of law, is that the jury found $5 million to be a sufficient number of punishment. And that's usable on the PR side of things.
Right.
That we say that, you know, the jury found that her defamation was so egregious that even though they only
outside
found
the courtroom where you can see these fans, as I said, every time
They would have.
I'm gonna